Mastering English Fluency in Just 7 Days. A comprehensive guide. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on mastering English fluency in just 7 days. If you're looking to enhance your language skills and become more proficient in English, you've come to the right place. In this article, we'll take you through a step-by-step journey that will help you accelerate your English learning process and achieve remarkable results in a short period. Say goodbye to language barriers and hello to effective communication. Understanding the importance of English fluency. English is undoubtedly one of the most widely spoken languages in the world. From business to travel, education to entertainment, having a strong command of the English language can open doors and provide you with a competitive edge. Whether you're a non-native English speaker or someone looking to refine their language skills, mastering English fluency is a valuable investment that can lead to countless opportunities. Day 1. Building a strong foundation. Immerse yourself in English content. To kickstart your English learning journey, surround yourself with English content. Watch movies, listen to podcasts, read books, and engage with online articles, all in English. This exposure will help familiarize you with the language's nuances, intonations, and vocabulary. Start with basic vocabulary. Begin with learning essential words and phrases that form the backbone of English communication. Create flashcards or use language apps to memorize and reinforce your vocabulary. Practice saying these words aloud to work on your pronunciation. Day 2. Developing listening skills. Engage with native speakers. Listening to native speakers is an invaluable exercise. Tune into English news broadcasts, watch YouTube videos, or participate in language exchange programs. This exposure will help you understand different accents and improve your listening comprehension. Take notes while listening. As you engage with English content, take notes on what you hear. Jot down unfamiliar words and phrases, and later, research their meanings. This will expand your vocabulary and deepen your understanding of context. Day 3. Enhancing speaking skills. Repeat and mimic. Practice makes perfect, and this applies to language learning as well. Repeat sentences spoken by native speakers, focusing on mimicking their intonation and rhythm. This exercise will improve your conversational flow and boost your confidence. Converse with confidence. Find language exchange partners or join online language communities to engage in conversations. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Embracing them as part of the learning process is crucial. Speaking regularly will gradually enhance your fluency. Day 4. Perfecting pronunciation. Use pronunciation guides. English pronunciation can be tricky, but using pronunciation guides available online or in language textbooks can be immensely helpful. Pay attention to phonetic symbols and practice pronouncing challenging words. Record yourself speaking. Recording yourself while speaking allows you to identify areas for improvement. Listen to the recordings and compare them to native speakers. This self-assessment will help you fine-tune your pronunciation. Day 5. Mastering grammar and structure. Study grammar patterns. Understanding English grammar is fundamental for effective communication. Study different grammar patterns and tenses, and practice using them in sentences. Online resources and grammar books are excellent tools for this purpose. Read aloud with emphasis. Choose written texts, such as news articles or short stories, and read them aloud. Emphasize punctuation marks and intonation to improve your grasp of sentence structure and flow. Day 6. Embracing cultural nuances. Explore idioms and expressions. English is rich in idiomatic expressions that add depth to your language skills. Delve into the meanings and origins of idioms to comprehend cultural nuances and enhance your ability to communicate effectively. Watch English films with subtitles. Watching English movies with subtitles exposes you to colloquial language and cultural references. This will not only improve your language proficiency, but also offer insights into societal norms and customs. Day 7. Finalizing your fluency. Engage in debates and discussions. Participate in debates or discussions on topics of interest. This exercise sharpens your ability to express opinions clearly and logically, contributing to overall fluency and confidence. Write daily journal entries. Maintaining a daily journal in English allows you to practice writing skills and reflect on your progress. Set aside time each day to jot down thoughts, experiences, or observations. Congratulations! You've completed your 7-day journey to mastering English fluency. Remember that language learning is a continuous process, and consistent practice is key to maintaining and improving your skills over time.